Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Rabi Bright Jones, and so last week we did graphic design contest episode 2, and we were left with 2 contenders, that is Pavilion Studios and Xenos Concept. So I posted the 2 artworks on my Instagram, and I wanted you guys to vote by commenting the contender's name or handle under his image. So we are going to check on Instagram the one who has the most votes. Then we will know the winner of graphic design contest episode 2. So let's get to Instagram. Okay guys, so let's head on into Instagram. So we are on Instagram right now, and this is my page. Okay, so first let's check on Pavilion Studios comments. Okay, so graphic design contest GH, that is our main page, commented. So let's start. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so Pavilion Studios had 24 votes. Okay, so let's check Xenos Concepts comments. Okay, so yeah, Palmer with the first comment, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. There's more. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Charlie, there's more. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Charlie, wicked manager. 52, 53. Charlie, there's more. 54, 55, 56, 57. 50. Charlie, I can't count anymore. So at this point, congratulations to Xenos Concept for taking away episode 2. Charlie, massive job. I mean, yeah, Pavilion Studios also did well because he has a very nice artwork, but then Xenos Concept also had a very powerful artwork. Okay. So congratulations to Xenos Concept. He has taken it for the second time. That is episode 1 and episode 2. I'm just praying someone will do better in episode 3 so that the person can take it away, because Xenos is on fire. Okay, so this week we are doing a flyer, and the flyer is going to be about a car dealership. So something about car advert, or I mean something that shows that you are selling a car and you want people to buy. So I'm going to leave the details in a link in the description. And this time around, I won't add any images. You have to go to Google or wherever, download your own images, and make sure that you provide the best car dealership artwork. Okay, so may the best win. And this time around, we are not going to do it a 1-week contest. I'm going to short it down to 5 days. So today is, what's today's date? Let me check here. Today is Wednesday. So Wednesday, I'm doing it 5 days. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Sunday is going to be the final day for the submission. So yeah, guys, good luck to you. When you're done, just send it to me on Instagram, on WhatsApp, and yeah, we're good to go. See you guys.